Today we are going to learn how to install Java 8. I am using Windows 10 64-bit. So the first step is basically to download Java 8. I have downloaded Java 8 from oracle.com. You can go there and download Java 8 for yourself. I will be putting this link in the description. Okay, so I've already downloaded this, so I'm going to start the process. Let's get started. Okay, so there is my app exe file. So I'm just going to double click it. It's going to start my process. So it's asking for, okay, does it want to make changes? I say yes. So it's going to start the installation process. Okay, so I'm going to click next on this. Okay, so this is where it is, and then we are saying okay, next. So let the installation process go. Let it running. Okay, so it's asking to install JRE, so I'm just clicking on the default option. I'm saying next. Okay, so it's now like the JRE right now. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so as you can see, it says it has been all successfully installed. So we are good to go here. So we have successfully installed Java 8 right now. But in order to actually use it for our development environment or for any other purpose, we have to do a couple of more steps. So here we go. Okay, so we have to set up a couple of environment variables for this. So I'm going to set a system variable as such, so it's accessible to everyone. So I'm going to say Java underscore home, and I'm just going to set a value where this was installed. So there's nothing on D. So if you remember, we installed it on in C drive. So you should be able to find this thing here. Okay, there it is. We'll put it to this. So that's going to be my Java home. Okay, so yeah. And then we are going to set basically this thing in path. So I'm going to add a property. So this is going to be slash. I'm just trying to say slash bin. So Java should be available for us. So I'm saying okay. Okay. And there we go. So just let's confirm if that has been installed. So if I say Java version, okay. So we are good to go. We have installed Java on this thing, and we should be able to use Java for our development environment. Thank you, guys.